Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this Maths Olympiad question. The question is, if x upon y is equals to 6 upon 5, find the value of x square plus y square upon x square minus y square. Let's see how do we proceed in this question. You can write that x upon y, which is given 6 upon 5, you can write it as x is equals to 6y upon 5. Now just put this value of x and this what is required, right? So just put 6y upon 5 whole square plus y square upon 6y upon 5 whole square minus y square. Further you can simplify it as, just write this is 36y square upon 25 plus y square upon 36 y square upon 25 minus y square. Now taking the LCM, you will get 36 y square plus 25 y square upon 25 upon 36 y square minus 25 y square upon 25. Now just cancel this 25 and this 25. So you are left with 36 y square plus 25 y square upon 36 y square minus 25 y square. Further you can simplify it as, you will get here 61 y square upon 11 y square. Now after cancelling this y square and this y square, you will get 61 upon 11. So the correct option to find out the value is x square plus y square upon this is equals to this option B. I hope you understand it. If you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.